right, so as a reminder, remember you can do math multiple different ways and still get the same answer. So if you did not solve your area problem the exact same way that I'm about to do it, that is okay as long as the area of the entire figure is the same answer that I'm getting. So I'm going to start with my vertical lines. So here I have a question mark here. I'm going to find the other ones. I have one over here at 9 meters and over here at 4 meters. So if we think of the 9 meters as the whole and the 4 as a part, to find the question mark, which would be another part, we're going to subtract. So 9 minus 4 is 5 meters. Okay, so question mark is 5 meters. Now I'm going to do my other question mark. This one is going horizontal. So I'm going to find the other horizontal lines. I have one here at 10 meters and one up here at 32 meters. So the 32 would be the whole, the 10 would be a part, and I'd try to find the other part. So 32 minus 10 is 22 meters. So this question mark here is 22 meters. Now here's where it's going to change a little bit. I'm going to draw a line, put a line right down the center. You could have drawn your line horizontal instead of doing vertical like me. It really doesn't matter. I'm going to do mine here, and I'm going to call this rectangle over here to the right the pink rectangle. So now I'm not going to use this 32 at the top because that's actually the length for both of these rectangles. So I'm going to use this 22 down here as my length because the formula for area is length times width. So I'm going to use this 22 as my length, and this 4 right here is my width. So if I did 22 times 4, length times width, that would give me 88 meters. Now I'm going to do the other rectangle. I'm going to call that my blue rectangle. So I'm going to use the length of 10 here and the width of 9. 10 times 9. Remember, any number times 10 is that number with a 0 behind it. So 10 times 9 is 90 meters. Now, to find the area of the entire shape all together, the pink and the blue, I'm going to add the 90 and 88 together, and that will give me 178 meters. So the area of the pink and blue together is 178 meters.